Hi everyone, I am Melvin Nadar, working as an application engineer for enterprise product in Beacon, India. Today in this video, I will be explaining how to create multiple documents in a single instant using SOLIDWORKS PDM. Before going into the video, let me first give you a small explanation on what is PDM. As we all know, PDM stands for Product Data Management, which is responsible for the management and publication of product data, serves as a central knowledge repository for the process and product history, and promotes integration and data exchange among all business users who interact with products. Focused on capturing and maintaining information on products and or services through its development and useful life. Now let us consider a scenario where the manager requires 5 different documents to be made. The designer tries to convince the manager that making 5 different documents is a bit time consuming. But the manager is not convinced with the employee and wants those documents to be made as soon as possible. Somehow agreeing with the manager, the designer comes with an idea that if we can create a document using PDM interface, then why can't we create 5 different documents at a single instant using PDM? As we all know, how a single Word document can be created using SOLIDWORKS PDM interface. Let me first give you a short explanation of how this feature works. Here, first we start creating a file card with all the required variable inserted. Then the next step we do is to create a template as per our requirement in SOLIDWORKS administration tool. Then we will be mapping all the variables in the Word document accordingly, so that once we insert the data in the data card, the variable used for mapping gets triggered and the data inserted in the data card gets automatically highlighted in the Word document. But if you want to create 5 different documents by just inserting data once, for that we cannot use the same process. As we all know, if we use only the data card, then only one document can be created. And if we use 5 different data cards, then we have to insert the same data 5 times, and that's useless. So how we are going to do? Here for this scenario, we will be using one additional step, which we can use to trigger the data card, which will trigger the Word document and the data we highlighted on each Word document, and 5 different Word documents will be created. So as you can see, we will be using a template card. Now the next question will be how we are going to use this template card to trigger the data card. For this process, we will be using something so called template variable, which would work as an intermediate between template card variable and data card variable. Here, as you can see, first I have created template variable. Now this created template variable will be assigned to the respective template card variable. Then the next step we have to do is assign the data card variable to the respective template variables. It's a bit time consuming, but it's a one-time process. Once the complete process is done, it would reduce the document creation time. Once the data card variable is linked with the template variable, then the next process to be done is variable mapping. That is the same process which you used to do for single document. Now let's see how 5 different documents is created. Click on the open area, new document, then PDM document. Once you click on the PDM document, a template will be highlighted where you have to select the product accordingly. Once I select my product, then a next template will be shown where I'll be inputting my data. As you can see, I am inputting the model name, cat ref number, then packaging details, length, width, height, and then if I click OK or enter, 5 different documents is being created. If I go to BOM, you can see there's a folder beacon. Once I go inside the beacon, a document will be created. So as we have seen, how we have created 5 different documents in a single instant with its unique name, which in turn has reduced your time consumption of creating each document separately. Hope this video was useful. Try the same from your side and kindly share your feedback in the comment section below. Also share this video with all your colleagues. Thank you.